Nothing more annoying than digging into your tool case trying to find the perfect tool to get the job done. No more of this. Not only this is affordable, and it is really good as a multi-tool. There is so many different things that you can do with it as well. So instead of you looking for 13 different tools, you get one. This specific one is awesome. With one hand, voila, you're opening the knife and it's ready for you to use. And then of course you can close it as well. The best part about this, you don't need any more 13 different tools to carry with you to the job. Now you just need one. Take this on the go, start using it, and voila, it has every single tool you need for your everyday use. Now let's go ahead and check out every single tool that this actually supports and why it should be in your EDC kit today. It also features a bit tool over here that you go move it just like this. Voila, you close it up and we can go ahead and take this out. We can flip it and put it right back in as well. Now if you want it securely in here, you have to move it in so the ball of it goes all the way inside. Then it's much harder for you to pull this out. So keep this in mind as well. Now this is the tool that you can use here. And if you have a similar one that looks exactly like this, you can buy one and you can go ahead and replace it with something else if you do desire to do so. After you put this inside here, keep in mind this thing is locked in place, so you have to unlock it by pressing this down, and voila, you unlock it right here. So this shows you all the different tools here, including a very sharp knife that we have here as well. Knife itself is very nice. I really like the shape and I like the materials that are being used with this all together. Now this is just one side of here. The other side over here, open this up. We have a pair of scissors for us to use. Just open it and you use it just like this. And you can close it back in. This one doesn't have a lock in place, so keep this in mind as well. We also have in here another tool here, which is this one right now. Really nice for as a saw. You can go ahead and use this for all kinds of different purposes for you. And I do like how this thing is nice and pointy as well right here. And the material is great for sanding certain surfaces as well. So if you have something you need to sand, you can go ahead and do so with this specific tool here. Now this one is locked in place. So if you want to close it, you have to press this down for the lock to get engaged and so on. Last but not least is this specific tool here. This one is a regular small knife. I call it the Amazon Pocket Opener, which is great for opening up Amazon packages. This one is also locked in place. You just press it down and it goes all the way down. This is probably the hardest out of all the tools over here to get in because you have to put your finger right in here, dip inside, and then you will get this out. If you have nails, it's much easier with this specific tool. This is just the hardest one out of all of those tools to get it out. Overall, it's a very good design. I really like the way it looks, the retro style, and the Leatherman vibe coming from this, including a pocket carry location over here for us to go ahead and put this and strap it just about anywhere you actually like. Furthermore, if you don't like this particular thing here, and some people totally hate those pocket clips, you can use a tool, if you have a special one, to basically take this out and replace it with something that you like much more. And it's really great as well. So overall, it's a very nice tool. You can use it one hand opening for the knife, start using it, and then of course go ahead and close it up. And then you just press over here, safety on, voila, and you're done and you're ready to get started using the Mossy Oak. Overall, it's very nice handy knife. The price is awesome as well, and lots of functions that you can utilize for all kinds of different EDC purposes. Great to put in your toolkit, great to put inside your toolkit because you just never know when you need any kind of those tools, and they're all in one location. Makes it nice and easy for you to get, and anything that you really need and you can get it all out of this specific tool. So 13 tools for you, all combined in one location, makes it easy, snappy, and fast for you to go ahead and use. And the best part, it features two different secret tools you probably didn't even know existed over here. The first one is right on the side over here. It's a little hard for you to access. This specific tool is a pair of Twizzlers that you just never know when you actually need them. The second one for you that is also super awesome is right here. It's an emergency tool that's probably going to save your life. This one is the glass breaker. If you ever need to use it, you can go ahead, voila, break the window with it. Nice and simple and easy.